Goddess Complex, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing from Influenster and also from Love Beauty and Planet. So this box came right in time because I'm about to do some protective styling in my hair. Okay, so I've already looked at the products, but I just want to make sure I share with you guys. This particular, like I said, this particular brand is actually very clean. When I tell you no nothing, no nothing, it's very clean, cruelty free. And this is the Love Beauty. This is their Indian and Lilac Clover Leaf Shampoo. You have this one here. And you normally see these at Target, some everywhere now. I know I used to see this at Kroger all the time. Also, I have the Indian Lilac and Clove Leaf Shampoo. And I wonder how they smell. I've been waiting to open them. Because I'm going to wash my hair again this weekend and try to protective style my hair. Because it's getting to that point where the moisture in the air is being drawn out. And I noticed my hair doesn't kink and curl the way it normally do. So yeah, we're going to stretch it and do some stuff to it. Okay, so this is the Lilac Conditioner. As you can see, the consistency of it is really smooth. It's thick for it to be more so natural-based shampoo. It's really smooth. It smells really good. So it smells like a Bath and Body Works candle. You can definitely smell the lilac in this bad boy. I don't get the clove, but I get the lilac. Okay, I like that. Okay, and I have really thick hair, so this should work out very well. Also, the shampoo, I wonder, does the shampoo have the same scent? Because sometimes the shampoos and stuff switch. Okay. So there's no coconut oil, yes, it has Indian lilac. See, a lot of their products, this is why I like this particular company. Like I said, I had so many products, so I didn't try it, and just happened, I ran out of shampoo. Boom. and this popped up. Yes, they're vegan, cruelty-free, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. Okay, I like it. I like it. Like I said, I've been seeing this for a little while now, this particular company down here in Memphis, Tennessee. Okay, so the shampoo seems like it has oh yes, it's super thick. I've never seen a shampoo this thick before. Oh wow. If you can't tell, that's like really thick. It's thick, almost like a jelly-ish. Let's see. Yeah, look how thick that shampoo is. It's like thick. I've never had a shampoo thick. It's super thick, which is going to be just fine, boo. Which means it's going to detangle, which means it's going to moisturize. And you can see the herbs, the Indian herbs in it. Indian lilac herbs in it, which I like. So that's another plus. Like I said, vegan, cruelty-free. It smells really good. It smells very luxurious, very luscious. So it's going to work very well. Okay. So I am going to do another review once I actually use the products. I like to try to use the shampoos and stuff at least twice to give it a fair, just a fair judgment. Because I do have really thick hair, and certain products just don't take for my hair. It doesn't work. But honey, these are thick. As long as they're thick like this, yes ma'am, yes sir. Like I said, it's used for color. It's safe for colored hair. Everything. It is a plant-based cleanser. Okay, so these are 6.75 ounce bottles. Like I said, you can get this brand pretty much anywhere now. I know they used to only be like at the grocery stores and like Target at first. But now you see them everywhere. You can get them everywhere. Like I said, these are 6.75 fluid ounce bottles. So I can't wait to try it. I do like just the smell of it. But that consistency, baby, is going to work. That's going to work very well. I'm real picky with certain stuff because my hair doesn't like certain textures. Maybe certain ingredients, but the texture for thick hair, thick natural hair, it has to be, a little on the creamier end to get it to detangle, to get it to work and, kind of do its thing. So, like I said, this is Love Beauty and Planet Box Vegan Cruelty-Free Shampoo. So I'm going to be trying that this weekend on my hair before we do whatever. I haven't decided yet. It's just going to be in a puff until I decide. So, thank you guys for watching. That was a quick unboxing, just for Influencer, because they're pretty awesome right now. That is my second box, actually, this month from Influencer. So, I appreciate it. I am happy and blessed for that, because that came right on time. just like this other box. But I love you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the snippet. I just wanted to do the unboxing, show you the boxes, because normally I don't do the unboxings a whole lot, except for if it's makeup or something like that. So I'm going to do more unboxings since people like the unboxing, so I do the unboxings. So thank you. I love you guys. Make sure you're following me over on Facebook and Instagram, Goddess_Complex777, YouTube, The Goddess Complex, Twitter, Goddess Complex 7, and I'll see you guys over on Click Sunday at 1:30 p.m. for sound therapy sessions. There you go. Love you. Peace.